preserved for future generations. This is where the tracked vehicle was last seen. The terrain is dense, so we follow this ridge. You handle navigation and you take the gear. The elevation drops sharply here. We will mark this as waypoint 1. Thick canopy might block our GPS. We'll rely on... Let's double check all the climbing ropes and GPS units. All radios are fully charged. Let's get these cases secured. That is everything on the list.
We are nearing the coordinates. Let's find a spot to park.
GPS shows the route starts right here. Everything's packed and ready to go. Looks good, let's head. The GPS signal is strong. I am placing a trail marker here. Watch out for that giant tree root. Moving forward. This is the right way. I've got you covered. All gear is across. All gear is across. Wait, I think I found something right here. This confirms it. We are getting very... The depression matches the map. Let's clear a section. Wait, look here. This is it. These coordinates match the archival records. The turret shows heavy environmental aging. The hull structure appears stable for preservation. Establishing documentation perimeter now. This front plate measures 30 millimeters. Coordinates match archived records exactly. Let's map out the priority zones. I'll start with the turret. We need to check the hull too. Copy that, let's proceed. Let's check the front angle now. Photography is complete. This seems like the safest route. We need more clearance here. The ground is quite stable. Everything checks out here. Let's head back to base. Let's review the final site maps. The terrain looks solid here. This proposal covers everything. The Leopard 2 remains untouched. All records match perfectly. The integrity is preserved. Here is the field assessment for the Leopard 2. Weathering is limited to surface rust. All measurements align with archival data. We must follow the approved plan. Let's review the transport sequence for the artifact. The protective packing materials are inventoried. We verify everything before moving. Coordinates match the archive. No visible changes since the last survey. Records are approved. Backups are complete. Let's focus on mapping section 4 first. Place the marker right by that corrosion, recording extensive moss and lichen growth here. This concludes our archive for the Leopard 2. All site maps are complete. Preservation records are confirmed. We are ready for relocation. Let's verify the checklist first. Check the markers. All logs are complete. Seal it for transfer. We must secure the site perimeter first. The corrosion matches the records. We have enough monitoring supplies. Good, let's finalize the timeline. Here is the complete conservation archive. Every survey drawing is cataloged. Sealing the container, handing over to museum stewardship. Let's place the pads right here. Perfect. Keep documenting every step. Clearances meet museum specs. Excellent. Recorded. Documentation complete. We are ready. Hold it right there! This is our final check before we begin. All barriers and ground coverings are in place. Lifting gear is ready outside the zone. Perfect. Let us maintain full protocol. Hold it right there. Readings are normal. Let's confirm these handling points. All tags are verified. Place that pad right under the sling. Check all handling points. Pads are aligned. All systems normal. Begin initial tension test. Hold tension, test complete. All stations, begin the lift. Hold at 5 centimeters. Load distribution looks stable. Begin stability verification. Check all slings and pads. All slings and pads. Keep it at this pace, steady. All handling points are stable. Slow and steady now, bring it down. Lower the tension now. Cradles are secure. She is completely stable. Platform secure. Clear to remove rigging. Are all the heavy transport restraints secured? All secured without pressure on the hull. We are good to go. Move out slowly. All systems stable. Transport status check. How are the sensors looking? All readings are normal, proceeding slowly. Condition matches the records perfectly. All restraints are fully secure. The data logs show no issues. The data logs show no issues. All systems go. Prepare the unloading area. Begin attaching the conservation lifting system. Begin initial tension test. Load normalized at 2 tons. Slings are secure, hold tension and document. The load readings are fully compliant with our documentation. Post-tension inspection is approved. Begin the lift. Slings are holding. Weight is balanced. Look steady. The balance is perfect. All slings and pads are aligned. Load indicators are stable. All parameters are green. Begin the horizontal transfer. Bring it down, very slow. Hold it right there. Position confirmed. Continue the descent very slowly. Watch the contact points on those padded cradles. Perfect. Hold position right there. Begin gradual release of crane tension. Cradles and padding are seated perfectly. Crane load is now at 0. Begin removing the lifting equipment. Our goal is complete preservation. The corrosion patterns match perfectly. The conservation file is ready. Let's place the sensor right here on the cradle. These digital records look complete. Environmental systems are normal. This looks ready for display. Hold it right there. Perfect alignment. Clearances look good. Sensors are active. Position secured. The exhibition is ready for the project file is closed. She is ready for display.
This artifact is now preserved for future generations. Preservation ensures history is never forgotten. This artifact now stands for future generations, preserved forever.
Preserved for future generations.